Mysuru Palace or the Mysuru Maharaja Palace is located in the heart of the city. Mysuru Palace is one of the most visited monuments in India and is one of the largest palaces in the country. It is also known as Amba Vilas Palace, which was the residence of the Vodayar Maharajas of the Mysore state. Locally in Kannada, it is called as Mysuru Aramane. Mysuru Palace is a priceless national treasure and the pride of a kingdom. The Mysuru Maharaja Palace is the seat of the famed Vodayar Maharajas of Mysore. As you can see here, the statue of Gajalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, prosperity, good luck and abundance with her elephants. Here you can see the splendid statue of Lord Ganesha inside the wooden chariot, wooden Marada Ratha. Here you can see Nandi, Lord Ganesha, Lord Hanuman and Lord Saraswati is seen holding the veena with her left hand. The Royal Portrait Gallery, which is of historical importance, is a visual treat to the visitors. This three-structure has beautifully designed square towers at various cardinal points covered by domes. Craftsmen from Jaipur and Agra, along with local workers, were engaged in crafting them. The Mysuru Palace complex has a selection of 12 Hindu temples. The oldest of these was built in the 14th century, while the most recent was built in 1953. Someshwara Temple, dedicated to God Lord Shiva, and Lakshmi Narayana Temple, dedicated to God Lord Vishnu, are some of the more famous temples. The ground floor, with an enclosed courtyard, displays costumes, musical instruments, children's toys, and numerous portraits. The flooring of this magnificent Kalyana Mantapa has artistic geometrical patterns created by using glittering glazed tiles imported from England. The royal throne, the regal seat, is also called as Chinnada Simhasana or Ratna Simhasana, with captivating artwork on its gold plates, is displayed during the Dasara festival. The palace has three entrances. The east gate, the front gate, opened only during the Dasara and for VIPs. The south entrance for public and the west entrance usually opened only during the Dasara. In addition, there are numerous secret tunnels from the palace cellar leading to Srirangapatna, other palaces and other confidential areas. The palace is the venue for the famous Mysuru Dasara festival, during which leading artists perform on a stage set up in the palace grounds on the 10th day of the festival, Vijayadashami. Yaduveer Krishnadatta Chamaraja Vodiyar is the 27th head of the ruling family of the Kingdom of Mysore and head of the Vodiyar dynasty. palace is a treasure house of exquisite carvings and works of art from all over the world. The front of the Amba Vilas Palace has an open balcony supported by massive circular columns. This palace is now converted into a museum that treasures paintings, jewellery, royal costumes and other items which were once possessed by the Vodayas of Mysore. The upper floor has a small collection of weapons, the beautifully carved mahogany ceilings, solid silver doors, white marble floors and superb columned Darbar Hall are a feast to the eyes. Here you can see a music band performs at night outside the illuminated Mysuru Maharaja Palace. There were many chairs kept at a distance of about 0.5 km right in front of the palace main building. The show starts with storytelling in Kannada about the Mysore city and palace history. The light and sound effects keep changing and will sync with the story. It goes on for about 45 minutes, after which the lighting of the entire palace is done. Overall, for me, it was a very pleasant experience sitting in front of the illuminated palace, and the weather was also excellent. Mysuru Maharaja Palace Sound and Light Show entry charges are 40 for adults, 25 for children, 200 per person for foreign tourists. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.